Welcome. This video will walk you through the steps of downloading and installing the Yubico Authenticator app in Windows 11. First, open your browser and search for Yubico Authenticator download. Select the Yubico Authenticator app for desktop link. Click Download Now and choose the 64 bits option. When the download is complete, click the Open File link to launch the install wizard. Click Next and follow the install wizard prompts until the install is completed. After the install is finished, close your browser and click the Windows Start icon. In the search bar, enter Yubico Authenticator to access the application.